Welcome to the first PowerShell scripting tutorial. In this video, we'll explore a fundamental concept in PowerShell, cmdlets. Cmdlets are the building blocks of PowerShell scripts, and understanding them is crucial for effective scripting. Let's get started. Cmdlets are small, specialized commands in PowerShell. They perform specific actions, like retrieving data, managing services, or performing administrative tasks. A typical cmdlet has a verb-noun naming convention, like getProcess or stopService. The verb indicates the action, and the noun specifies the target. PowerShell comes with a vast collection of built-in cmdlets. Some common ones include getProcess to retrieve information about running processes, getService to manage Windows services, getItem to access file and directory properties, newItem for creating files and directories. Cmdlets often accept parameters. These are options and values you can pass to customize their behavior. For example, getProcess can take the name parameter to specify a particular process. newItem accepts name to define the name for the new item. A handy tool for learning about cmdlets is getHelp. It provides detailed information on a cmdlet and its usage. You can use it like this. PowerShell also supports aliases for cmdlets, which are shorter names for commonly used commands. For instance, ls is an alias for getChildItem, and ftar is an alias for getItem. To deepen your knowledge of cmdlets, explore online resources, the official PowerShell documentation, and community forums where you can learn from other PowerShell enthusiasts. That's a wrap on our exploration of PowerShell cmdlets. These little commands are the workhorses behind PowerShell scripts. As you continue to learn and practice, you'll become more adept at utilizing cmdlets to streamline your work as a sysadmin or developer. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more PowerShell tutorials and tech-related content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll delve deeper into PowerShell scripting. Thanks for watching.